My name is Bukola. I started makeup artistry officially November 2022. So I've been in the industry for a while, 3 years going. I wanted something artistic. I realized that I love to meet people. I love to be part of people's big day. I'm a matte girly, so I love soft, skin-like, seamless matte finish that imitates the natural skin. Professional makeup artists, I for one, I started off learning makeup artistry using luxury brands. So Kryolan has always been part of my kit's recommendation from the person I learned from. And that's because of the functionality of the brand or the products they give. Sometimes there's no way to cut it. There's no corners. You either use what really works or you don't get the results. So Kryolan is that girl. For a finishing spray, Kryolan gives me a hold on my makeup without giving me a very oily finish or an overly matte finish. It just keeps my makeup in place the way I want it to be, exactly on my clients. The Kryolan Fixing Spray. The beauty of having a brand that you always want to have access to in the heart of Lagos for walk-ins, for delivery is the best thing that can happen to any makeup artist, especially someone like me that pride myself in using quality products and also want to have a guarantee that I'm getting the authentic product. Mirrors Beauty is definitely doing the best thing. Beauty is an expression of my love to my clients. Once a client sits in my chair, the first thing I think about is how do I make this person more beautiful, that she feels it. The only way she can feel that love is with my brushes, is the expression, is the art I do on her face, and that's it for me.